Do you know you can create email without phone number? I guess not. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to create an email without using a phone number. Whether you value privacy or simply don't want to share your phone number, I'll guide you through the steps to set up an email account hassle-free. Make sure you watch till the end and please subscribe to this channel to see more content like this. Let's get started.
Hello everyone, D-Tech here. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create emails without phone numbers. Without further ado, let's get started. First, you have to go to your Gmail. You open it either on your tab or your laptop or your phone. Next, you can see here, these are the emails I created without phone numbers, several of them. You can as well do the same. Select add another account, select Google. You allow it to load, and next you select create account. Then here this option for work or my business, that's the option you select. Then select next, then input your name. Input your name. So I'm gonna use I will use John. John Spark. So select next. Then input your date of birth. So I'm just gonna put 5th March. Just input anything there, okay? Then select next. Gender, you just put in anything. Okay, it's either you create your own Gmail or you select the email suggested for you. So I'm just gonna select this. So you input your password. Input your password. So I'm just gonna put in let me just type in something here. Just imputing something. Alright. So after setting up your password, you select next. Okay. Then this part here, just scroll down, select skip. You can see I've successfully created my email without a phone number. So next, then scroll down, select I agree. So this is how you create your email without phone number, simple as ABC. So if you're seeing this channel for the first time, kindly like and subscribe to see more content like this. Thank you for watching.